traction control.
Öhlins. Oh, hoity-toity, fancy schmancy.
Nice
Huh?
to see you again.
Oh, sorry. Somebody's happy they got a new bike. Nice, huh? Ooh, look at that. Huh?
It's so quiet.
Yeah.
You're checking out my tail?
What'd you say?
I'm totally giddy.
Oh, I know, I can tell.
And the DC shifting already got me one.
Yeah, I know, I saw that, but I'll fix it. Let me look at it. Nope.
No, you can't change it?
Not outright. I'll have to look at it at home.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna charge you for
I have
it.
faith in you.
Yeah, you let me ride it, I'll fix it.
Stop. In and out.
The shortest first ride ever. Huh? What?
My key.
Oh.
Your house.
Yeah, you go faster when the bike's running.
What?
You go faster when it's running.